Hello guys, welcome to our channel Susman Creation. Today I unbox a weight machine which I purchased from Amazon. See it. This weight machine is come here and the brand is Agaro. Model number WS503B. So guys, please now subscribe my channel and press the bell icon immediately. Okay. Let's start and unboxing it. Here is invoice from Amazon bill box. The price is $5.99, which is the warranty card and user manual. The warranty is 1 year. This glass weight machine is very thin and looking very good, black color, very beautiful looking. Watch it. This machine is auto on property and looks its back. Here is 4 sensor. This is a battery. I measure my weight. This is very good in working condition and efficiency is very good also. Value for money. Okay guys, review is complete and done, and I recommend it to you guys. Please purchase it. It is very good product. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my video guys, and please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.